what I would say about the pandemic and the opportunity it's afforded us too is that my world's never felt more accessible. So you know, I can reach 9,000 people through the wonders of MS Teams, Zoom, whatever it is, in a way that I could never reach them before. And I'm a visible CEO. I'm back to the floor. I'm out and about. But access to clinicians in particular, you know, they can much more likely to be able to jump into a 15-30 minute Zoom call than they ever would have been able to, you know, to drive somewhere or come out to a meeting in a hotel or you know, whatever else it is. And so I think it's thinking about what does this whole new virtual environment offer as a set of new opportunities for accessing people, because we're all very familiar, very comfortable with it. And the interesting thing about the pandemic, should we end up in that space, is frenetic though it was at times, there was also a lot of downtime because we weren't doing a lot of the usual things that people spend their downtime doing. You know, we weren't responding, you know, to complaints, you know, in a timely fashion. You know, we paused audit activities or all sorts of things, and so I guess it's not assuming that people haven't got time. But being really time efficient in how you approach people will be much more appealing than if you're trying to persuade somebody to come off site or come out to a big meeting. You know, if it's about a set time, you know, if it's about, you know, what time have you got, when might you be available, as opposed to we're doing something, you know, at this time of day on this date, which can be quite prohibitive. But yeah, it all comes back to relationship building.